Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel! For today, pupuntahan natin ang Sports Plaza. And dadalhin ko kayo doon kasi yung mga friends ko nagyayaya sila. But before we continue with this video, I'd like to invite you all to hit the subscribe button and click the little bell so that you will be notified every time we have a new video. Okay, so let's go! Okay guys, so nandito na tayo sa Sand Valley Main Road. As you can see, papasok na tayo ng Sand Valley Gate. So we have 24/7 security dito. So papakita lang natin yung ating ID. And yeah, pag pupunta kayo dito para may access kayo, just let me know para kayo ay makabisita. So yun ang kagandahan dito sa community na to is we have 24/7 security. The safety and security is the priority of Sand Valley Inc. Okay, so as you can see, wide ang road natin dito and nakikita niyo yung mga houses. It's a modern design house. Very spacious sa mga layouts dito guys ng mga house and lots. And yeah, aside from the 24/7 security, napakaganda ng scenery dito guys. Enjoyable ang ride. Papasok ng community, palabas ng community. So, napaka-aliwalas dito, mapresko, mahangin. And it's a flood-free zone area. Proximity to Essential, malapit din tayo. Paglabas nyo pa lang dito sa subdivision, may makikita na kayo mga coffee shops, may mga restaurants, dining restaurants, and we also have mga churches, hospitals, groceries, and of course yung school, no? Dito inside Sand Valley is meron tayong Paref Northfield for boys. So kung may mga boys ka na maliliit pa sila, pwede sila mag-aral dito. And 10 to 15 minutes away is the Assumption for girls. So malapit tayo sa magagandang schools dito sa Sand Valley and the Perch. So guys, aside sa proximity to essentials, napakalapit din natin sa napakagagandang amenities dito sa Sand Valley. We have 3 clubhouses. We have the golf course. At ito ngayon pupuntahan natin is the Sports Plaza, no? So later makikita nyo, tapusin nyo itong video na to up until the end para makita nyo kung gaano kaganda, kalawak ang Sports Plaza. Okay, so now, papunta na nga tayo doon. And yeah, kung nakikita nyo talagang ang ganda rito guys. So guys, if you're looking for a property here in Sand Valley, ready for occupancy, meron po tayong 3 available na house and lot for sale. Okay, so guys, if you're interested to check the properties, contact me today on the numbers visible on the screen. Napakaganda ng community na ito. Sa napakaganda yung dream house. And yeah, kung gusto nyo naman na lot ang inyong bilihin, we have available lot for sale for you guys. Minimum cut of 400 to 1,000 square meter. So guys, again, if you're interested to check the properties, contact me today on the numbers visible on the screen. Ang Sand Valley po ay located at Barangay Inarawan, Antipolo City. So, if you're coming from Katipunan, Quezon City, dire-diretso lang po kayo to Marcos Highway. And then, right after Kogyo, makikita nyo na ang Sand Valley Estates. So, mga 30 to 45 minutes to Katipunan and 1.5 hour to 2 hours to Manila. On my right, makikita nyo dito ang ating Sand Valley Golf Clubhouse. So, kung mahilig ka maglaro ng golf, pwedeng-pwede ka dito mag-play ng iyong golf. And, of course, meron tayong fairway suites na kung saan pwedeng mag-stay, no, yung mga guests natin doon. Meron silang deluxe room and suite room for like 5,000 to 7,000 a night. na tayo ngayon sa Sports Plaza. Okay, samahan nyo kami. Dapat, ang ganda dito pag umaga. Dali na si Pepper sa kasi ano. Dito kayo dati. Ano ang in-expect mo ma-achieve natin? Sinabihan ko na siya. Ayoko na po kasi sana. Okay, so nandito na nga tayo sa Sports Plaza and as you can see, napakaganda dito guys. Yung kanilang mga landscape, sobrang maintain nila. And yeah, meron din sila dito mga basketball court, may swimming pool. Hindi ko lang mapakita yung swimming pool but it's on my right. And they also have here ang tennis court and the playground for kids. So guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Sports Plaza. As you can see, meron silang pang field. And ito yung pinaka-track field, jogging, walking lane, diba? Okay, so guys, ang ganda dito sa umaga. Kasi hapon ang so dito, sa morning, dito kami nag-jogging. And napakalaki ng soccer field dito guys. So I hope makabisita ka dito. Again, if you want to see the properties here in San Valley and the Perch, you can message me, contact me today on the numbers visible on the screen. Okay, so guys, with that, thank you so much sa pagsama sa amin dito sa Sports Plaza. And again, don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. Jesus, we trust in you. Mama Mary, we love you. Bye, everyone.